For some that are following me earlier on, if you look at the charts, this is where we analyze I analyze this in very early in the morning. If you look at where the pink horizontal line is, that is where we entered the trade on XAUUSD gold. If you look at here, you can see that this thing is on massive profit, and the trade is just going as I predicted. Look at the gold is now trending up. So we have taken our first TP. So we are looking at the second TP. So yeah, we have taken our TP, first one. So second TP. If you look at the trade now, you find out that what it's gonna do now is doing a double top. So if you are live on this trade, I hope by now you have closed your TP2. So because it's about to reverse now, so I know it's going to reverse. So even if you not get to this second trend line, there's a potential reversal, because you can see it has gotten to resistance. So it has gotten to that resistance. That resistance is going to serve as a reversal zone. Since it has been trending up, you look at the trend, has been trending up. When it gets to this trend line, serving as a current resistance, is going to go downside. So if you're on this trade now, I'm expecting that you close by now, because it's going to reverse very soon. It's going to reverse. So your TP2 should be closed by now. Yeah, your TP2 should be closed by now. Yeah, if you are live with me, I want you to type yes. If you are live on the channel, I want you to type yes. If you are live on the channel, I want you to type yes. I'm on this live trade. If you're on this live trade, I want you to type yes. So let me look at the confluence I have on this my GBP USD confluence. We're also analyzing my chart on GBP USD. The confluence, whether it has obeyed the confluence, because I know definitely waiting for a big reversal. Yes, it has tapped on this zone, and is about to go downside. Yeah, though, because when you are trading with the small account size like $100, $50, you don't need to open multiple positions, because a little reversal of the market is going to, what happens there is that a little reversal, we potentially affect the account, leading to the blow of the account. So that's why it's not good to open multiple positions when your account is small, and especially when you want to scale it up. It's good to keep it at one. So you scale it up, watch it, don't open multiple positions to avoid a lot of drawdowns. And once you have a little drawdown on a small account, the next thing is that you blow your account. Yeah, that is what happens. That's what happens. So if you are getting value on this video, I want you to subscribe, the button below, subscribe, and share this link below. Subscribe and send it to your loved ones so that someone will see this and follow up. Subscribe to this channel if you are getting any massive value here, and also follow us on the Telegram group there. Subscribe, follow us on Telegram. Yeah. So guys, I hope you catch the trade. I hope you catch it. So when I come your way next time, if you get any massive value on this channel, kindly subscribe and share it. Follow us on the Telegram link there. Join our Telegram where we share our signals. You can join our private signal group, just for a token. Yeah, as well, we drop free signal group here. We also drop free signal contents on daily basis. Join us so you don't miss out, so that this little account, so they can grow it at the same time. Yeah, thank you very much. See you. Peace out. One love.